Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with the right canvas size and the best source file you have. First, pick the exact output dimensions like 1920 x 1080 or larger for print. This sets resolution goals. Then upload the highest resolution photo, RAW, or the largest JPG, because scaling up later loses quality. Once uploaded, place the photo on the canvas and choose any option that preserves original pixels. Make sure Canva doesn't auto-compress on import. This step prevents early degradation and gives you clean data to enhance. Now focus on making the pixels count. Apply enhanced adjustments rather than aggressive resizing. Start with auto-enhance or manually tweak exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to recover detail. This reveals texture before sharpening. Next, add sharpen or clarity but keep it subtle, around 10 to 25%, so you avoid halos and noise. Also crop and reposition to retain the subject at the best pixels per inch area. Once you sharpen, you can't easily hide compression artifacts, so take time here. Finish by exporting with settings that preserve detail. Choose PNG for web images needing lossless detail or a high-quality JPG at 90 to 100% for smaller files. For print, select PDF print or PNG at 300 dpi and confirm bleed and color mode. Once exported, inspect at 100%. If you see blur or noise, undo the final sharpening, try a larger export size, or apply noise reduction before resharpening. These steps fix common quality issues without redoing the whole design.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.